welcome back to the Urban Cook. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to do a nice little barbecue. So I'm going to make some burgers. I've got some beef mince. I've got some chicken Italiana sausages. These are really nice, and they've got tomato, mozzarella, basil, garlic. Yeah, that's all it's got in it. So I'm going to take them out, some of them out skins, about half a dozen, mix it in with the mince, put some tiny little bit of parsley, which I've got outside because I'm growing it, and a little bit of chives, and just a little bit of dill, and salt and pepper. So that's for them. I've got some chicken thighs here. They're just going to be marinated, and I'm going to double them up with 2 skewers in them. Just makes it easier to flip over on the old barbecue. So I'm going to wash these first and get them in the tub, and we'll be right back. So we've got these chicken thighs. All I'm going to do is just going to stab these, break the skins on them. Lovely. And get some olive oil, some chives, some little bit of seasoning, a little bit of dill, a little bit of lemon juice, salt, garlic, get a lid for that. All nice and coated. And we'll put them to one side, and we'll get on with the burgers. So in this bowl, get our beef mince. Smell lovely. Get our sausages, just break these up. They're not like skins like you normally get, so these would be alright. They just go to nothing. So just mix them up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to put in the rest of the ingredients. So a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of dill because of the chicken, some little chives. I'm going to put some garlic paste. Right, so just out in the garden. Got some parsley leaves and a couple of mint. So I'll just use the leaves. Just give them a little scrunch up. Can't get much fresher than that, can you? From the garden. Mix up. Get some cling film. need to feel like eggs, but this is going to do the job. Cover these over. And we'll put these in the freezer, get them chilled down a bit so they can hold their shape when they go on a barbecue. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so we're back. So what I've got is some nice little spring onions. They're just going to go on the barbecue like that. And I'm going to make just a couple of skewers up with some bit of pepper. Bit of this yellow one. And some courgette. That one, I think. Nice bit of courgette. Tomato. Whole mushroom. And so on. Just make it up as you go along, really. So there's only just the two of us having this anyway, so we don't have to go too mad. That's what we're going to do. So I'll do this other one and I'll bring it back. Okay, so let's get this show on the road. Let's get light the old the coals. Always safety first. Yeah, so we've got there. Lovely. Let them sort themselves out. I'll just show you. Got the old potatoes going in the old garden, and tomatoes. Start the flour. Some more tomatoes down there, and we've got peppers over there. And I've got a load more tomato plants here. I've got some, I don't know if you can see that, chives. This is parsley. I shop bought that one. We've got, not sure what these are because the ticket's worn off. And we've got coriander. This is mint. And not sure what this one is yet because it washed off again. So get the old coals going, and once that's ready we'll bring out the food and get it on. So see you soon. So we'll get these this chicken on first. A little bit of olive oil. Awesome stuff. So we've got the chicken on. Just spread it with a little bit of olive oil around the on the grill. I've got the coals over to one side, and this is over here is going to be my cool side. So we're going to get this going. We've got our veggies. Right, we'll get these bad boys on. Okay, so we've got our chickens nearly done. We've got our vegetables, they're nearly done as well, so that's all good stuff. We've got our sausages up here, which are done, they're keeping warm. And I've just put the burgers on. And we'll get our spring onions. That's still really hot. Give them a little spray of olive oil. Give them a little spray up over there. A little bit of spray of olive oil on the old veggies, so they don't dry out too much. A little black pepper. A little bit of salt. Happy days. So we'll bring you back when these are done, and we'll see you soon. Okay, so the chicken's done. Burgers are done, the veggies are done. I'm just going to throw these back in here with the sausages, shut the lid down for another 5 minutes, then we're going to take it over to the table and we'll have another little look. So see you soon. Okay, so we've got our chicken hung up on the rack. It's all really juicy and it's all running out. And we've got our burgers, homemade burgers with beef and chicken. We've got our charred spring onions, got our chicken sausages here, got our vegetables, our peppers, our courgettes, mushrooms, tomatoes and all that good stuff. We'll have a little plate up and we'll see you in a minute. Cheers. Okay, so there we have it. Got a nice little bit of a rocket salad with carrots, tomatoes and little mushrooms and stuff, and snap peas. Chicken sausage, homemade burger, which is chicken and beef, and some obviously char grilled vegetables, and some spring onions, and some hummus. So, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later, guys. Take it easy.